feels good that I'm able to cook because it's one of my favorite things to do.
During the school year, I teach 9th through 12th grade culinary, teaching kids to cook. And then at camp, I do about 3 to 4 weeks during the summer to teach middle school and elementary kids to cook. It is a lot of hands-on. So right now I have some washing dishes, some wait for their dough to rise. So I teach them when they're cooking to, while their dough is rising, they should be cleaning the kitchen at the same time. So multitask.
Working with Chef Raz is nice because he knows exactly what he's doing. He teaches us stuff that some of us didn't know before we came here.
In this kitchen, I've been baking cinnamon rolls, cookies, and also pizza.
Just helping the young kids learn, because the rest of your life you're going to learn how to cook.